ASML is building fabs that will replace electricity with lasers inside your future computer chips. It is called Silicon Photonics, and it's entering mass production. Standard copper wires are hitting a wall. They generate too much heat when transmitting massive AI data. Light-based waveguides have zero friction. Instead of electrons traveling along slow paths, photonics uses microscopic lasers to shoot information at the speed of light. It is 100 times faster.
But making these chips is incredibly hard. That is why ASML is partnering with the TNO Research House to build high-volume commercial fabs. This is the holy grail for AI data centers. If we can run optical chips, we can speed up training times and cut server power bills in half. Without electrical resistance, there is zero heat waste. The chip stays cool under full load, preventing thermal throttling. It also shifts the geopolitical balance. ASML controls the lithography machines required for photonics, ensuring Europe stays at the heart of the next chip war. This is confirmed. The partnership is active. ASML and TNO are scaling photonic chip fabs to meet the computing demands of tomorrow's AI. Share this video with a hardware nerd friend who thinks Moore's Law is dead, and follow AzaharLabs for more secret chip updates. See you tomorrow!